Welcome people, thanks for forward to the PATWA News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now today in the news, Neko, you mash up. Neko, you mash up. How would do this? Producer, you can't be doing them something, yeah? People can think so with a credible dog. You can't do them something, yeah? The first piece of news and I go tell the people about Neko, you mash up. What do I do? Sorry about that, people. That was a big mistake, big error. Really sorry about that. And I feel we stand that, you see me? This is supposed to be on the entertainment news, which I go on at the end of the week. So, when you can look out for that, you see me? But in the real news now, read the COVID-19. What that's on? No man, that can't be on me. Sorry about that, people. Actually I work from here right now, you see me? As I said, I go back to work, I go back in the office till them cases I go down. So, but the woman, you know the thing going in the yard. Somebody have to go, they must have to go. You see me, we can't really stop that, but we're going to try to make sure, say, you know, here the next time, you see me? In a real news now, what really are going on in the news is that we have 210. So a number you know about? No man, 210 new COVID-19 cases in the people. No man, I'm not joke this. 5 more people dead, you know. What will I do? I have 4,376 cases today, you know. 3,016 of them active people. You know who have the most cases? Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine have 2,000 odd cases in between. People, we don't know the drill already. Keep up the social distancing thing. You see me? Wearing a mask when I need to wear a mask. What I do? You see this partying thing when I think about all them the partying done for the rest of the year. You see when Christmas come, nobody think about the cake and party and go people yard and all them sit there in the yard. Now me want a cake, now me want a food, make you want a cereal, we not go nowhere. In the yard. Now, in a bizarre case, I prayed there last night, a youth named Joshua St. Michael's thief some mango off her. Thief some mango? But all this reaching on news, a regular thing, me used to... This youth named Joshua St. Michael's OC slippery fingers. Sorry about that, people. This youth named Joshua St. Michael's OC Slippery Fingers was charged with a thief mango for Miss Mavis tree. It's alleged that Miss Mavis sitting in her house, I read her Sunday paper when she looked through her window and see the youth in her tree, a thief of the whole of her ripe Julie mango them, where they had dropped her ground and her spoil. And apparently she called the police and the police forward and them nab him. Oh, them catch him. Wait. Oh, apparently on the way to the police station, them jump out of the back of the jeep and escape in some nearby bushes. Now we have a sketch of this young man. If you see him anywhere about the place, please call the police. I mean anywhere about the place. Call the police and make sure say yo we catch the youth. Cause they meet on their road. Come take people Julie Mango and feel like. Big up on yourself people and thanks for far back to the PATWA News Network. Now we're gonna use some sports. Now the sporting news today. People's National FC. The sports news are all. The sports news are all. This I'm reading news, yeah. Sorry about that, people. People's National FC versus Jamaica Labour FC in the Jamaica League. There was a big football match that happened some time ago, and the score here, right? Not football this. The score people are 49-14. 49-50. What is score? Well, not the real score. Oh, apparently we are checking on the VAR system to see what the real score is. We're making to know what the full score is. But this is a landslide victory for the Jamaica Labour FC. Now they will be going on to the finals where they will be facing the Jamaican Public FC. Now that's going to be a tough match. Let's look out for that one, yeah?